Please watch this video in full to learn how to use your mobile device, iPad or tablet to study for your courses. Step-by-step guide. If you prefer to study using a mobile phone, iPad or tablet, follow these simple steps to access your dashboard. Step 1. Open the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android, on your device. Step 2. In the search bar, type Moodle Workplace and tap Search. Step 3. Locate the app and tap Get or Install to download it. Step 4. Once installed, tap the Moodle Workplace icon to open the app. Step 5. When prompted for the site address, enter mydigitallearning.co.uk. Step 6. Enter your provided username and password to log in. Once you access your dashboard, you will see all your courses you have enrolled in. On your dashboard, you can see how much progress you've made in each subject. Click on any subject you want to study, and you're ready to go. If you want to see your profile, add your picture, or edit anything, click your name shown at the top right. Start your journey today. Happy learning. Now open the course for the subject you are studying. Read the online safety posters. Read through the summary paragraph provided for the topic. Open and engage with the study materials. Once you understand the topics and study material, test yourself to see how much you have understood. Attempt the quiz when you are ready. Click Complete Quiz when ready. We recommend to retry to get 100%. Once you have completed the topics, studied the summary of the topics and study materials, and done the quizzes, then answer the student feedback questions to verify your understanding of those topics. If your parents want to get involved, they can also answer the parent feedback questions. For each course and each topic, we have parent feedback as well. Complete all the topics, read all the study materials, do all the quizzes, and once you get 100% on everything, then take your mock test for the course. Year 9 students have access to subject-wise past papers. We recommend that after completing everything for all subjects, you should print all the past papers, take the exam and mark them. This way, you can see your score and identify what you need to work on for your final board exam, the GCSE exam. Wishing you all the very best on your academic journey. May every step bring you knowledge, growth, and moments that make you proud.